Are you fabulous? Or do you know someone who's fabulous that needs a glamorous surprise? Well, ding dong, Daddy-O, come and get the Champagne Fabulous doorbell frame. At first glance, it might appear to be just a gorgeous, luxurious golden frame with silver sparkles and an epic mix of Art Deco and mid-century modern style that every fancy room desperately needs. But wait, there's more! It actually has a button to push that makes a sexy doorbell sound, and a customizable spot for instructions. So whether you want to summon Fernando for champagne, wine, room service, cocktails, or coffee, all of these cards are included in the box. Speaking of, check out my box! Meow! Who wouldn't love opening this gift? It works just like a picture frame, so you can easily swap out the cards, or even make your own. Having a holiday party? Ring for Santa! Oh yes, I've been nice. Valentine's Day? Press for smooches! The possibilities are endless! Whether you place it on the bedside table in the guest room, or on your bar, or hang it by the bubble bath, it's sure to ring your bell, baby!
Now available on Amazon in the US and the UK. AAA batteries and Fernando not included with purchase.